New AI projector replaces Christmas lights. Decorating your space usually means effort. Lights, ladders, nails, measuring, rearranging, and doing it all again when it doesn't look right. Now there's a gadget that skips all of that and just projects the entire vibe onto your walls. Anchor, the makers of Soundcore audio products, just introduced something called Nebula Space Flow, and it basically turns your house into a customizable canvas powered by AI. SpaceFlow is a small add-on that connects to Soundcore's Nebula projectors. But it's not just projecting a flat image, it scans your space first. Using dual cameras, depth sensors, and structured light, think Kinect-style tracking, it builds a 3D model of your walls, windows, objects, and surfaces in real time. Then, it maps visuals onto that space with proper perspective. So instead of a flat rectangle on your wall, you get something that actually bends to the shape of your room. Once your space is scanned, you don't need to set anything up manually. You just type or say what you want, whether it's a jungle covering your living room, a holiday light display across your house exterior, or animated visuals that react to the music. The system automatically figures out where your windows are, how your walls are shaped, and what obstacles to avoid. Because it recognizes real-world furniture and unusual wall shapes, it builds the scene around them instead of over them. This way, your projection doesn't look like a cheap slideshow, but like it actually belongs there. Nebula Space Flow is priced at $799 normally, but is dropping to $399 for a very limited time at launch. However, it isn't a standalone device. You will need a compatible Nebula projector like the X1 or X1 Pro to use it. That's a significant financial commitment. But for tech enthusiasts, it just might be worth it. It means your environment can change instantly without committing to anything permanent. Holiday decorations, themed rooms, and event setups are now possible, all without actually buying or storing a single piece of plastic. If you already own the ecosystem, your home decor is about to get a massive, AI-powered upgrade.